To assemble the Minuet LCD, first make sure you have all the necessary parts ready to go. Start by taking the K-pop diaphragm, fitting it onto the top of the breast shield with the protrusion facing down, then pressing it down to fasten. Then place the diaphragm cap on top of the K-pop diaphragm. Connect the white valve into the bottom of the breast shield. If you want to use the silicone massager, place it into the mouth of the breast shield. The massager isn't necessary, just a preference. Now twist the bottle into the bottom of the breast shield. Insert one end of the air tube into the diaphragm cap and the other end into the B connector. Attach the B connector to the pump. Use the B connector for single or double pumping. Close the white piece for single, open it for double. When you need to charge the pump, plug the USB cable into the main body. Unplug it once it's fully charged. You'll know the battery's full when 3 complete bars appear on top. Once assembly is complete, you should be ready to use one of the most exceptional, convenient, cutting-edge breast pumps on the market, the Minuet LCD. From Unimom.